Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove the numbering points actually applied on the document in your WPS Office site or mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the numbering points or how to delete the numbering points on your WPS Office site or mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on this and just select the points that you just need to remove or edit. So now click on this icon option on the bottom. Just scroll down, you will see an option of numbering. So this is a numbering. You will see this particular option which actually removes the numbering points from the selected items. So otherwise you can also you click on this three dot option, just scroll down, just go to the numbering section. Here you will see this particular option which actually turn off the numberings. These are the two ways to remove or delete the numbering points from the actual points on your document on your WPS Office site. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.